This property is presented by Charlotte Rouse. Nestled on 10 sprawling acres, sits a magnificent custom-built 3,832 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4-bath home with a fully finished walkout basement, bar, theater room, above-ground saltwater pool and hot tub installed in 2020. New HVAC installed in 2019. Striking brick front steps lead up to the inviting front door. As you enter, you are greeted by the expansive open foyer with hardwood flooring and a stunning staircase. Off the foyer is a formal living room complete with a pocket door, adding an extra touch of refinement and creates a sense of privacy that is perfect for intimate gatherings or quiet moments alone. A separate dining room with a charming chair railing is located off the foyer. The family room, complete with an electric fireplace and carpet, seamlessly flows into the open-plan kitchen and provides ample space, making it perfect for entertaining friends and family. The eat-in kitchen features wood cabinetry, center island, and an oversized walk-in pantry allowing ample storage. First level consists of a main floor bedroom with attached full bathroom. Enjoy easy access to the back deck off the kitchen, allowing you to seamlessly transition from indoor to outdoor living. The large composite decking ensures a long-lasting and low-maintenance outdoor living space. The multiple-level decking leads to an above-ground pool perfect for cooling off on a hot summer day, or relaxing in the bubbling hot tub as you soak away the stresses of everyday life. Upstairs you will find the primary bedroom featuring soaring vaulted ceilings and a massive walk-in closet. The expansive windows let in natural light, illuminating every corner of the room. The generous space in the walk-in closet offers an array of shelving, storage, and hanging space, giving you the luxury of being organized. The primary bath features a garden tub, separate shower and dual sinks with ample storage. 2 additional bedrooms with large closets, a full hall bathroom with dual sinks, and the laundry closet, Whirlpool/Maytag washer and dryer, complete the second floor. The beautifully finished basement with recessed lighting and ceramic tile flooring is perfect for entertainment and relaxation. Upon descending the stairs, you will find yourself surrounded by gorgeous natural light filtering in through the full windows, allowing you to take in the full grandeur of this space. The basement French doors lead out to a large flagstone patio with a built-in fire pit that is perfect for outdoor lounging or hosting gatherings. The bar area features Korean counters, wood cabinetry, a stainless steel refrigerator and microwave. Past the kitchen is a full bath with a standalone shower. The basement is complete with a theater room, which is perfect for enjoying the latest movies in the comfort of your home. There are 6 leather recliners on 2 tiered levels, available for purchase, $1,500.